Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Naki. The in today's video, we are going to look at how we can install the Dev++ for our C++ tutorial. The first thing, yeah, try on my website for them. This the beta version of the C++5. After installation, there might be a problem kakra. So we are going to install the old one that I have here. This one. You be install when you use it. Mɛtry sɛ menya Google Drive link na mede ɛno ahyɛ mu sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a mobɛnya access to this file. Yeah, maybe I'll provide a link in the description to this C++ software so that you can download it. Okay, let's install this one. Just double click on it. Okay, this one. Then I'll wait to read the sign we are now about I agree. Click on next. Then we install. So let's give it some time. The installation we will run this later. Click on finish. To which me close way for now. Okay, so now if you click on start menu, you see we have recently added Dev++. Open so I'll wait me a search bar. Just search for Dev at the app nebeba and then we open this one. Okay. Another English now. Yes, go next. Maintain everything as it is. Then we click on next. Okay. Alright. So we'll be app for say Nemuti. We don't have any project, we don't have any source file created. So you get blank space like this. The app no features. Echo file. You can create a new source file or you can create a new project. Open. Say be our file be so that now person will be able to open it. We have save as. Because say create file be an antenna we might agree color now as are fading. You create a new file, it will come back. The sound will edit. Let me create a new file so that we can look at that one. So you click on file, then no for new or source file. Okay. So right now we can see the interface has changed to white color and we can also start typing something. Okay, now echo file we have open, save as, save or close, and other properties. Echo editing so you will undo, redo. The other features work now be easy in fine I say wait my search be in your code, something like that. We have view, project, execute. Baby I be use super execute in a file and maybe edit. Into Oko executor, you can see we have compile here. The shortcut is F9. The first video you can say C++ is a compile language. It's a compile the code I check say there is no error. And say no we are or run the code. Until outro code baby you first compile we are no run the code. You can also use the compile and run. Until an compile we are no run the code in the straight. So we are going to use this one. In the manner will execute so this shortcuts now this side. You can see we have compile here, run, then compile and run. So you bit me use shortcut to use the echo window, wait me enter full screen or you exit full screen. Help also I say. See, these are some of the features Dev C++ name. You best start now. Use way. In the next video, we look at the syntax. We will go much deeper into syntax. How our syntax here, then we print our first code. This video is purposely for installing the C++ and then how some of the features in it, right? Okay, see, yeah, the video will be CSA. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, click on the share button, share with your friends, Let we all learn C++ together. All right, to meet again. Thanks. Bye bye.